Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. And today we are going to talk about a very recent and important judgment by the Honorable Supreme Court of India, which was delivered on May 27th. Let's break down in simple terms so that everyone can understand and watch this video till the end. So, what was this case all about? It revolves around a very important question. If a person has been awarded monetary compensation but actually has not received the money, then can they still file an appeal as an indigent person? अब इंडिजेंट पर्सन का बहुत सिंपल टर्म्स में मतलब ये है कि इफ समवन who does not have enough money to pay the court fees is to proceed with their case. ठीक है. So now the Supreme Court's bench, which was consisting of Justice J.K. Maheshwari and Sanjay Karol, looked at two important sections of the law. There were two orders from CPC from 1908. These sections are meant to help people who cannot afford the court fees still access justice. So the justices pointed out that just because someone is awarded money doesn't mean they are no longer indigent if they have not received the money yet. So let's dive into the specific case. Now, the appellant, who was a woman, was injured in a car accident. She went to the Motor Accident Claims Tribunal and asked for the compensation of 10 lakh rupees because she had a permanent disability. Now, the tribunal awarded her around 2 lakh rupees. Now, she was not happy with this amount. She decided to appeal to the higher court, asking to file an appeal as an indigent person. Now, since she has not received the compensation yet, but High Court refused, saying that she has been awarded the compensation, even though they also noted that she has not actually received any money. Now, this decision was challenged in Supreme Court. Now, the Honorable Supreme Court reviewed previous cases, including the significant one, Union Bank of India versus Khadar International Construction and others, where it was established that if a suit is won, court fees are calculated as if the person was not indigent. Now, the Supreme Court noted that these laws are designed to help people who cannot afford to pay court fees right away. Now they emphasize that High Court was wrong to dismiss her application, especially since she has not received any money yet. Now the Supreme Court made a couple of important points. Number one, even though she was not awarded money, she had not received it. So she was still indigent. Number two, the High Court should have conducted an inquiry to confirm her indigent status. Because of these points, the Honorable Supreme Court decided that the High Court's decision should be set aside. Now, instead of sending the case back to the High Court, Supreme Court allowed her to file the appeal as an indigent person directly. Now, considering that the long time that has already been passed, now they also asked the High Court to decide on her appeal within 6 months. In conclusion, the Supreme Court's judgment ensures that people who have not received their awarded compensation can still seek justice as indigent persons. And this decision reinforces the principle that financial hardship should not prevent anyone from accessing the courts. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please give the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more legal simplified news.